Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best board in the H510M category, the Gigabyte H510M HV2 motherboard. This compact and efficient motherboard is designed for Intel's 10th and 11th generation processors, making it an ideal choice for those building a budget-friendly yet reliable PC. Starting with the basics, the H510M HV2 features an LGA1200 socket, supporting a wide range of Intel Core processors. Whether you're upgrading an existing setup or building fresh, this motherboard offers solid compatibility and performance for everyday computing needs. One of the standout features of this board is its memory support. It comes equipped with two DDR4 RAM slots, capable of running memory at speeds up to 3200 MHz. This allows for smooth multitasking and better overall system responsiveness, especially when paired with quality DDR4 modules. For display connectivity, the Gigabyte H510M HV2 offers both HDMI and D-sub ports. This dual video output option means you can easily connect to a variety of monitors, whether modern digital displays or older analog screens. It's a flexible feature for users with different setups or multiple monitors. Storage-wise, this motherboard doesn't disappoint. It includes an M.2 slot that supports NVMe SSDs, allowing you to install high-speed solid-state drives. This significantly boosts boot times and application loading compared to traditional SATA drives, making your system feel much faster and more responsive. When it comes to connectivity, the board provides USB 3.2 ports, which ensure fast data transfer speeds for your peripherals. It also includes 6 USB 2.0 ports for connecting older devices, ensuring you won't have trouble plugging in a wide range of accessories and external devices. The form factor of the H510M HV2 is Micro ATX, which strikes a nice balance between compact size and expandability. It fits well in smaller cases but still gives you room to add essential components without clutter. Its dimensions make it a perfect fit for compact builds that don't sacrifice performance or features. In terms of design, Gigabyte has kept it simple yet functional. The layout is user-friendly, making installation straightforward even for first-time builders. Despite being an economical board, it maintains solid build quality, which is typical of Gigabyte's reputation. Another important point is power efficiency. This board is designed to provide just what you need without overcomplicating things or wasting energy, making it a practical choice for input systems and basic computing tasks. Overall, the Gigabyte H510M HV2 motherboard presents a great blend of essential features, solid performance, and value for money. If you're looking for a dependable motherboard to build an efficient Intel-based PC, this board deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.